you inquired about this specific 2014 Hyundai Elantra. I want you to know that this car has been the North American Car of the Year for the past several years. It's won every accolade you could possibly imagine with a 5-star safety. But let's get right to it. If you'll notice as you come down, you'll see the beautiful fluidic body style sculpture that Hyundai introduced in all of their vehicles. You have the sporty alloy wheels. When you come through the back, you've got ample room for 3 passengers. Up on the steering wheel, you've got your cruise control. Your buttons here, it toggles through the back display, keeping everything at your fingertips. You've got your AM, FM, you've got CD player, you've got auxiliary, you've got USB, you've got iPod, you've got everything. Now I want you to know, this is a Hyundai certified automobile. We are a certified dealer for Hyundai. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250, or call me on my personal cell, 205-907-4700. Again, my name is Shannon. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon. Thank you.